Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Retreat. Retreat means withdraw from enemy forces as result of their superior power or after defeat. For example, the French retreated in disarray. The French retreated in disarray. Synonyms: withdraw, retire, draw back.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I just received word that the enemy forces are retreating. Now, repeat after me. I just received word that the enemy forces are retreating. The second exempli. In the summer of 1915, the Russian army retreated on its southwest front. Now, repeat after me. In the summer of 1915, the Russian army retreated on its southwest front. The third exempli. In the winter of 1778, Washington's ragged army had retreated here to regroup. Now, repeat after me. In the winter of 1778, Washington's ragged army had retreated here to regroup.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.